Welcome to your calming ASMR dance. Begin with 3 gentle shoulder rolls backward, then 3 forward. Circle your head slowly. Right, left, center. Extend arms out. Trace horizontal lines in the air. Tilt right ear to shoulder. Hold and breathe, then left. Release tension in your neck and upper back. Step Dutch right, then left. Smoothly. Shuffle forward and back with light pressure. Lift heels and tap softly on the floor. Draw wide arm circles, palms up. Trace a figure 8 with your fingertips. Sway weight side to side, knees soft. Bend knees on inhale, straighten on exhale. Sweep hands across chest and out. Raise right arm overhead, then left. Draw slow semicircles at shoulder height. Lean forward at the hips, slow and gentle. Return upright, relax shoulders. Inhale as arms lift in a V. Exhale as arms float down. Pause, feel calm energy. Rotate torso left, then right. Cross right leg over left, then switch. Trace upward arcs with both arms. Shuffle in place, hands at waist. Inhale, lift arms. Exhale, lower them. Reach out, then pull hands in. Draw small circles at knee level. Shift weight in 4 tiny side steps. Trace large 8s above your head. Roll shoulders